Hey guys, Gaston in the Rough Country Installation Facilities. Today I've got for you our Jeep 7-inch LED headlight with switchback halo. We market this as a Jeep headlight specifically for the TJ and JK, but in all honesty it's a 7-inch headlight. You can run it in anything that uses a 7-inch headlight. I've seen them on motorcycles, classic cars and trucks, so that's not a problem. It should be straight plug and play. Now for the TJ, this is a direct plug-in. For the JK, we offer an adapter that's going to go from the JK harness to the plug on the light. So this is a projection LED headlight. The high beam is 60 watt with 4,800 lumens for the pair. The low beam is 40 watt with 3,200 lumens for the pair. As far as the headlight function goes, it is a direct plug and play. The switchback halo is going to require a little bit of wiring, but it's nothing too complicated. I'm actually going to show you on my trail Jeep, give you the confidence that you can do it yourself. So I've already installed one on the passenger side. I really wish I still had the factory halogen in so you could get a feel of the difference style-wise and how updated it makes the front end look. But to be honest, this no-name LED I've got in here pales in comparison to the style, so you can take a look at that and see for yourself. Installation of the headlight itself is pretty standard of any 7-inch headlight. I'm going to remove the bezel, then I'll remove the trim ring holding the light in place, pull this light out, drop the Rough Country light in, put the trim ring back in, put the bezel back in. The only thing that we're going to add other than plugging the light in is wiring the switchback halo. The trim ring. Out with the old. So on the back of our light you'll see we've got our standard plug that's going to go straight to our vehicle's harness. Then we've got one wire for our parking and one wire for our blinker. We'll need to tap into those and I'll show you how to do that. So once you've verified your parking and your blinker wires, what you'll need to do is take the taps supplied and the wire supplied. So I've got the tap slipped over the blinker wire. It's running all the way through the tap in this first channel on this side. Now I'm going to take the supply line that's going to go to the headlight and it's going to slide into the other channel. And now I'm going to take pliers and squeeze the tap. That blade is going to pierce both wires, making a connection. All right, see how it's flush with the top of the tap? That means the spade's made its way through, pierced both the wires, creating a connection. We'll take the top, snap it over it, and that connection is secure. We'll do that with the blinker wire on both sides and the parking light wire on both sides. Then we'll run those out through the grill, make all of our connections, reinstall our headlight. All my connections are made. I'll reinstall the headlight, making sure I've got it oriented correctly. It does right there with the RC facing straight up. Now we'll put the trim ring back. All right, that's going to complete the installation of the 7-inch LED headlights with switchback halo. It really modernizes and updates the front end of this TJ. Let's see how they perform. Left blinker, right blinker, low beam, high beam. So Rough Country's Jeep 7-inch LED headlight with switchback halo really updates and modernizes the front end of the TJ. And they look great on the JK too. Easy to find, get yours at roughcountry.com.